Good day, viewers. We will discuss a statistic in probability lesson 4, understanding the z-score. Let us begin. Understanding the z-score by acknowledging that for a given distribution, it is more preferred to have a larger set of data in order to meet good generalization. However, at times in a given distribution, raw score may be composed of large value, and larger values cannot be accumulated at the baseline of the normal curve. This the score have to be transformed into z-score in order to get meaningful decision relative to the concept of finding the equivalent percentage and probability of the given measure of balance from the mean. For any population, the mean and the standard deviation are fixed. This gives the way to understanding that for every score x, there correspond an exactly one z-score values and vice versa. Therefore, if we wish to find the percentage associated with x, we must find its match z value using the z formula. Okay, let's begin. The z formula is given by z equals x minus m over population standard deviation, and z equals x minus x over sample standard deviation. And the given x equal the risk score, m meaning of population mean, x meaning sample mean, and o population standard deviation and sample standard deviation. Let's go in example 1. In a statistic class, a student gained a score of 48. What is the z-value, the score of the test result, as a population mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 4? Step. Use the formula for finding the z-score of population data. Step number 2. Check the given values. Step number 3. Substitute the given values in the formula and compute the z-value. Let's go in a solution. Example number 1. Okay, z equal x minus m over o. Mean equals 45 and the population standard deviation equals 4 and the root score is 48. So ngayon, yung 48 in i-minus natin siya sa 45. So magiging ano siya, 3 na lang. And over 4 equals 3 over 2 equals 0.75. So, yan yung makukuha nating sagot na ipagbabasihan natin sa graph. So, let's going a graph. Wait. Okay, yan ang sagot natin ngayon. So, therefore, the z-value that correspond the row score 48 is 0.75. And let's go in example number 2. Example number 2. Liza got a score of 72 in science examination, and the mean of the population it's 80 and its standard deviation is 4. What is the corresponding z-score? So let's go in a solve and solution. mean is 80. And population of standard deviation is 4. The row score is 72. 72 minus 80 equals negative 8. So, 72 minus 80 over 4 equals 4. Negative 8 divided by 4 equals negative 2. So, let's draw a graph. So, ngayon, ilalagay na natin sa graph yung sagot nating negative 2. So, therefore, the z-value that corresponds to the score is negative 2. So, let's go with example number 3. If the sample mean is 125, if the sample standard deviation is 8, what is the z-value of the z-score 145? Solution. Population standard deviation equals 8, and the risk score is 145, and 145 minus 125 over 8 equals 20 over 8 equals 2.5. So let's draw a graph. Ilalagay na natin yung sagot nating 2.5 sa ng 141 to 149, 2.5. So, therefore, the z-value that example number 3 correspond to score 145 is 2.5. Okay, example number 4. In Mrs. Shirley science class, a student gained a score of 46. What is the z-value of his score if this result as population mean 45 with standard deviation of 2? Let's go in a solution. Z equals the row score minus population mean over population standard deviation. Mean equals 45 and population is standard. We go. Z equals 46 over 2. Z equals 1 over 2 equals 0.5. Let's draw a graph. Okay, the z-value of that correspond to the row score of 46 is 0.5. Example number 5. Example number 5. Given the mean equals 50 in the standard deviation equals 4 of the population of breeding score. Find the z-value that corresponds to a score x equals 58. Z equals the row score minus population mean over standard deviation. Mean is 50. Population standard deviation is 4. The row score A equals 58. Z equals 58 minus 50 over 4 equals 8 over 4. Z equals 2. So, the Z value of that correspond to the row of score 50 is 2. Okay? Example number 6. Given the mean sample mean equals 26 and the standard deviation equals 4 of the sample of the score in the science test, find the Z value that corresponds to a score x equal 20. The row is score minus sample mean, sample standard deviation. Minus 26 over 4 equals negative 6 over 4. Z equals negative 1.5. Let's draw a graph. At dyan nagtatapos ang lesson 4, statistic the probability. Lesson 4, understanding the Z-score.